I am a badminton player, and my coach repeatedly asked me to start consuming meat as it is considered to be the highest form of protein. I am a vegetarian, so I was a little reluctant. Last year in August, I attended a nutrition session where I was introduced to the concept of veganism. To me, the idea of not consuming any animal product at all was a little extreme and pointless. I couldn't understand why we should cut off animal products as a whole from our diet and not just meat. I was against eating meat for two main reasons: killing animals and the fact that I got enough nutrition from vegetarian food, so there was no reason why I should completely switch to meat. So now, having been introduced to veganism, I started contemplating on whether or not I should try it. I was intrigued by the idea of not consuming any dairy product and was curious to know what it would do to my body. So that's where it all began. I became vegan for a month. I stopped all dairy products, which especially is quite hard to do when you're Indian. I stopped all the ghee, Amul butter, paneer, cream, cheese, and the list goes on. I trained every day for 3 to 4 hours, and I was mostly inquisitive to know what this diet would do to my energy levels, stamina, and muscle power. After about a week, the difference hit me. I was able to do much more in terms of not getting tired, doing more sets of difficult exercises, and increasing my endurance. But the most prominent observation was that my muscles stopped paining. I was shocked, since after increasing the intensity of an exercise, my muscles were supposed to pain and take time to adjust. But the pain in the muscles due to exercise was because of a reason called inflammation. It is a condition where your body becomes reddened, swollen hot as a reaction to injury or infection. I now realize that a plant-based protein helps you overcome inflammation and recover your body much faster. Why was my body reacting differently to dairy and differently to plants? Archaeological samples show that human ancestors ate mostly plants, but the reason for this is actually quite simple. Humans do not have any specialized genetic, anatomical, or physiological adaptations to meat consumption. By contrast, we have many adaptations to plant consumption. We have longer digestive tracts than do carnivores, and this allows humans to digest plants and fibers that require longer processing time. We can also not produce our own vitamin C. Vitamin C is only found in plants, and so this indicates just how reliant upon plants we actually are. Apart from the health benefits of veganism, faulty practices of animal breeding break my heart. Thousands of male chickens are crushed at birth because they aren't a useful asset to the industry. Cows are injected with dangerous hormones to increase their milk supply, and this leads to pus formation. Pregnant cows are butchered mercilessly in slaughterhouses. And for what? Just so that you can get a beef patty instead of a potato patty in your McDonald's burger. With more than 70 billion animals consumed globally each year, growing animal feed requires a vast amount of land, making it one of the lead drivers of deforestation. From this journey, I have learned so much. Sympathy, love, compassion, appreciation for the environment that I live in, and most importantly, the fact that I've learned to respect every single living creature. Becoming a vegan was probably one of the best gifts I could have given myself. And becoming a vegan wasn't something that I did just for myself. I did it for everyone around me. Lastly, I would urge you to take a conscious choice and do your best, not only for yourself, but for the betterment of the world. Thank you.